Hi, I'm going to Gandahathi waterfalls. Let's explore about it. Hello, I think I'm going to have a lot of fun in Gandahathi. So let's just explore about it. First, I'm going to check out the rocks. Before that, I slipped down. And then I went to the park, and then I did a small little exploring. Then I played in the waterfall, and I also went under the waterfall. It was so fun that we also did a little trekking, and I love to play, and I also changed my dress in the middle to make some little. Here I played with my mom and my grandfather in the water. I enjoyed a lot. I sit under the waterfall. It was freezing cold that I was freezing cold as the water. That my hands like on all of my body to cover. The waterfall was 50 feet high and awesome. Then I played, and then I played in the park. I played with my mama, and it won. I liked it. So, what are we going to do next?